Have you ever wondered how to cook the perfect steak? Well, the secret lies not just in the cooking, but in the selection, preparation, and even the slicing. Today, we're going to journey through the entire process step by step to help you achieve steak perfection. First things first, the cut of the steak. The right cut can make or break your steak dinner. Ribeye, sirloin, and filet mignon are all prime choices due to their rich marbling and tender texture. When selecting your steak, look for a bright red color with white marbled fat evenly distributed throughout. Now, onto the seasoning. A simple combination of coarse sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper can elevate a steak to new heights. Season generously, ensuring an even coating on all sides. Let the steak sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes, allowing the salt to penetrate and tenderize the meat. The next step is heating the skillet. A cast iron skillet is ideal for steak, as it distributes heat evenly and holds high temperatures well. Heat the skillet until it's smoking hot, then add a slick of oil. The oil should shimmer, but not smoke. That's when you know it's ready. Place the steak in the skillet. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of a perfect sear forming. Cook the steak on one side until it's well browned, about 4 minutes for medium rare. A bit longer if you prefer your steak more done. Flip the steak and cook the other side to your preferred doneness. And here's where a meat thermometer comes in handy. For a perfectly medium rare steak, aim for an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium should be around 140 degrees, while well done is about 160 degrees. After cooking, it's crucial to let the steak rest. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the steak, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Cover the steak loosely with foil and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Finally, the moment of truth, slicing the steak. Always slice against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers and makes the steak easier to chew. Use a sharp knife and make clean, confident cuts. And there you have it, a steak cooked to perfection from selection to slicing. Pair it with a loaded baked potato, a fresh green salad, or your favorite side dish, and you've got a meal fit for a king. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more culinary wisdom. Until next time, happy cooking.